हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. मी यज्ञा दयानंद गुरु तुमचं माझ्या यज्ञा ई लर्निंग या चॅनलवर स्वागत करत आहे. मुलांनो, आज आपण आपला जो 5th चॅप्टर आहे फूड सेफ्टी, त्याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कव्हर करणार आहोत. त्याआधी ज्यांनी चॅनल सबस्क्राईब नसेल केला त्यांनी प्लीज चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा आणि व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक, शेअर आणि कमेंट नक्की करा. चला तर मग स्टार्ट करूया आपल्या चॅप्टरला क्वेश्चन आन्सरला. Food safety. Complete the following statements by using the correct option from those given below. First, drying the food grains from farms under the hot sun is called dash. So it's called dehydration. Next, materials like milk are instantly cooled after heating up to a certain high temperature. This method of food preservation is called pasteurization. The next, salt is a dash type of food preservative. So it's a natural type of food preservative. Vinegar is a dash type of food preservative. Vinegar is a chemical type of food preservative. Then question number 2. Answer the following questions in your own words. How is milk pasteurized? So the answer is, milk is pasteurized in order to kill any kind of harmful microorganism present in it and to increase its shelf life. Pasteurization is a process in which the milk is heated to a certain temperature for a fixed period of time and then is quickly cooled. For example, it may be heated at 80 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and then immediately cooled. This helps to kill any kind of microorganism which present in milk. Then second question, why should we not consume adulterated food materials? So the answer is, the process of substituting or concealing the quality of food, adding harmful or poisonous substances to food, and misbranding or giving false labels to food is known as food adulteration. The adulterants which are added to food products have harmful effects on our body. For example, vegetable oil is adulterated with cheaper and non-editable oils such as argan oil, which causes dropsy, which in turn leads to renal and cardiac failure. Then pulses are mixed with kesari dal or with methanol yellow to improve the color, which can cause carcinogenic disorder, and it can also affect the nervous system. Then we should be very careful in buying our food products and should be aware of our rights and actions which can be taken against people who are involved in this crime. What precautions do your parents take to keep foodstuffs safe? So the answer is, precautions which are taken to preserve foods. First, storing fruits and vegetables in proper storage. For example, fruits like banana are not stored in refrigerator, while fruits like mango require refrigerator. Then storing grains, dals, etc. in dry conditions and in airproof containers. Making pickles and jams to increase their shelf life. Next question, how does food spoilage occur? Which are the various factors spoiling the food? Answer is, the undesirable or disagreeable change in the state of food which makes it unsuitable for human and animal consumption is termed as food spoilage. Spoilage of food can be caused by various factors like growth of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, etc. can lead to spoilage of food. The next, action of enzymes. So enzymes which are an inherent part of plant and animal tissue, begin the decomposition process after the death of plant or animal. For example, a banana starts to ripen and then spoil if it is not consumed on time. Infestation by insects. Insects like cockroaches may infest the foodstuff and make them unsuitable for consumption. There is possibility of transmission of pathogens from this insect. Wrong handling of products may also result in spoilage of foodstuffs. Overcooking is another such reason for spoilage of food. Which methods of food preservation would you use? So, the following method of food preservation can be used. First, preservation by common salt. Common salt is usually used to preserve meat and fish as it checks the growth of bacteria in these foods. It is also used to preserve amla, raw mangoes, and tamarind. Then, preservation by sugar. Sugar is usually used to preserve jams, jellies, and squashes. Sugar prevents spoiling of food by reducing the moisture content of food, which inhibits the growth of bacteria in it. Then, preservation by oil and vinegar. Oil and vinegar are used to preserve vegetables, fruits, fish, and meat. They prevent food from getting spoiled as microorganisms cannot grow in such an environment. Question number 3. What shall we do? There are vendors selling uncovered sweetmeats in open places in the market. So answer is we should not eat food from vendors who sell uncovered food. We should try to talk to him and convince him to keep his food covered while selling it. Also, we should tell him the importance of clean and healthy food and how these habits can help him to gain profit for his business. Second question, a pani puri a pani puri wala is serving the pani puri with dirty hands. So the answer is if pani puri wala is serving the pani puri with dirty hands, then we should not consume it. We should insist him to wash his hands and wear gloves while serving the pani puris. Next question. We have purchased a large quantity of fruits and vegetables. The answer is if we have purchased large amount of fruits and vegetables, then we need to store them properly. Some of the fruits can be used to make juices, jams, and jellies, which would increase their shelf life and also make it easy to store food. Vegetables can be cut and stored in deep freezer and then used and when required. Some vegetables can also be used in making pickles. Next question. We need to protect foodstuffs from pests like rats, cockroaches, wall lizards, etc. So the answer is foodstuff can be protected from rats, cockroaches, etc. by sorting them by storing them in proper condition and proper areas. They should be stored in airtight containers and away from damp places, which are the breeding places for these organisms. Move to the next question. Find the odd man out. Salt, vinegar, citric acid, sodium benzoate. Okay, so the answer is salt. Salt is the odd one because it is natural preservative while rest are chemical preservative. Second, lakhi dal, brick dust, then methanol yellow, turmeric powder. So turmeric powder is the odd one out because it is a type of spice and while rest of the three are adulterant. Okay. Then next, banana, apple, guava and almond. So the answer is almond, because it is a dry fruit, whereas the rest are fresh fruits. Storing, freezing, settling, drying. So settling, it is odd one out, because rest of the three are preservation methods. Then question number 5, complete the charts below. Foodstuff, adulterant. Okay, so in foodstuff there is a fill in the blanks, so it's a turmeric powder. Okay, turmeric powder. Then methanol, yellow. Black pepper, it's a papaya seeds. Then rava, iron filling. Honey, sugar. Okay. Next question, explain why this happens and suggest possible remedies. So the first is qualitative wastage of food. So the answer, wastage of food can either be qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative wastage of food is caused by excessive use of preservatives, overcooking of food, washing vegetables after cutting them, using wrong method of protecting food, then mishandling of food products like fruits, etc. Then qualitative wastage of food can be prevented by adopting steps like controlling the use of preservatives, taking care while cooking food to prevent it from the being overcooked or undercooked, using proper methods of storage, etc. Then next, the cook rice, it's underdone. So the answer is, if the cooked rice is underdone, it can be used to make some foodstuff in which it can be reused. For example, underdone rice can be used to prepare kheer, in which it can be cooked further with milk, or it can further be cooked to make papad or something else which would avoid its wastage. Next question, the heat that was bought is a bit moist. So the answer is, if the wheat which was bought was little moist, it could be dried under the sun to remove this moisture. It is important to remove this moisture before grinding the wheat or storing it, because it can act as a factor for the growth of microorganism, leading to its spoilage. Next question, the taste of yogurt is too sour, slightly bitter. So the answer is, the taste of yogurt could turn a little sour because it has undergone too much fermentation. The first thing would be to store this yogurt in cold environment to stop further sourcing of the yogurt. This yogurt can then be used to make sweet lassi or some other delicacy like Sindhi curry. Next question, cut fruits have turned black. So cut fruits can turn black due to oxidation. Small amount of lemon juice should be applied to surface of cut fruit, as it prevents the oxidation of the fruits. Then give reason, food remains safe at 5 degrees Celsius. So the answer is, food remains safe at 5 degrees Celsius because this temperature prevents the growth of microorganisms. Microorganisms usually require hot and humid places to grow, whereas at this temperature they cannot grow and survive. Their metabolic activities are inhibited at this temperature. Nowadays, food is served buffet style during large gatherings. So the answer is, nowadays foods are served in buffet style during large gathering to prevent the wastage of food, every individual can choose what to eat and how to eat according to their wish and thus prevents the wastage of food. सो फ्रेंड्स, आपला हा जो चॅप्टर आहे 5वा फूड सेफ्टी, त्याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर इथेच कंप्लीट झालेले आहेत. व्हिडिओच्या डिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये तुम्हाला या क्वेश्चन आन्सरची जी लिंक आहे ती सुद्धा दिलेली आहे. तिथे जाऊन तुम्ही त्या लिंकवर क्लिक करून तुम्ही याचे जे नोट्स आहेत ते सुद्धा तुम्हाला मिळतील. आणि ऑफकोर्स व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, जास्तीत जास्त लोकांपर्यंत शेअर करा. आणि चला तर मग भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत टेक केअर अँड हॅव अ गुड डे.